Assalamualaikum and good day. We are Group 8. Our topic is Topic 6, Numerical Method for Ordinary Differential Equation, also known as ODE. Our lecturer name is TS Dr. Wan Hafizah Wan Hassan. The members of Group 8 are Daniel Ramzi bin Muhammad, Muhammad Danish Ifan bin Usdin, myself, Yap Jimmy, Muhammad Nabil Adam bin Fauzi, and Shahrul Numaisara bin Shahrul Lakman. For topic 6, our given question is consider the initial value problem t squared plus y prime equal 1 plus y, with the initial condition y at 0 equal 0.5. The question A, we are required to use the Raskota for order method with a step 0.5 to estimate the solution. First, we arrange the given equation to make y prime the subject. So the y prime become the left side. So the equation become y prime equal 1 plus y minus t square. Next, we define the function f of t and y equal 1 plus y minus t square. The step size s is equal to 0.5. The initial value is t equals 0 and y equals 0.5. Then we calculate the Raskota value t equals 0. First, we find k0, k10, which is f of 0 and f 0.5, and the value obtained is 1.5. Next, we calculate k20 at t equals 0.5. Then the value of k20 is 1.8125. Then we calculate k30 and the value obtained is 1.890625. After that, we calculate k40 at t equals 0.5 and the value is 2.195325. Finally, we substitute all the k value into the Raskota formula. For the calculation, the approximate value of 1 at 0.5 is 1.42513.
Okay, moving on to t equal to 1.0 and the previous y1 that is 1.425. uh, we can substitute the value into the first equations, that is 1 plus 1.425 130 minus 0.5 squared. Then we get a value 2.175 130. Then we move to the second part, that is k1 k20. Then we just substitute the value of the equations and use the y y1 value, and we get the value 2.406413. Then we moving on to k30. In these equations, we need to use the value of the k20 earlier and substitute it into the following equation: f tn plus h over 2. In this particular situations, y1 plus h over 2 k20. Then we will get the value 2.464223. Then for the last part of the k40, we need to substitute the value with the k3 value. Then we will get the value 2.657247. After we get all the value of k1, k2, k3, and k4, we can find the value of y2, that is y2 equal to y1 plus h over 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 and 4 and k4. Using all the value we get, we can calculate the value, that is 2.639603.
1 plus 4.12002 minus 1.5 square. Okay, now we put it on. 1.5 plus 0.5 divided 2 equal 0.25 here. Okay, yn 4.120020 plus 0.25 multiply with k30 2.870020. Total here 4.837.525. Here 1.5 plus 0.25, total 1.75. Now we put it to y equal 1 plus y minus 2 square. We will get we put it on 4.3755 plus 1.75 square. Okay, here. Now we put it to the formula, the equation 1 plus y minus t square. Now 1 plus 4yy 81376 minus 1.75 square. Now here total here 2.75 1276 here. Okay, next we put it on the number 1.5 plus 0.5, total here 2.0. yn 4.120020 plus 0.5 multiply 2.751276, total here 5.495658. Now we put to equation 1 plus 5.495658 minus 2 square. Now here total here 2.495025. y3 now y3 4.120020 here plus 0.5 divide 6 k30 2.870030 plus 2 multiply 2.77525 plus 2 multiply 2.751276 plus 2.495658 here. So total here, final total is 5.488210 y4. That's all.
Seterusnya kita akan mencari nilai T4. T4 sama dengan 2.0, Y4 sama dengan 5.301307 dan H sama dengan 0.5. Pertama, mencari K14 dengan formula F T4, Y4. Kita masukkan nilai jadi F kurangan 2.0, 5.301307 sama dengan 1 tambah 5.301307 tolak dengan 2.0 punca kuasa 2. Nilai akhirnya 2.301307. Langkah kedua mencari nilai K24 dengan formula F T4 tambah H per 2, Y4 tambah H per 2 K1. Kita akan masukkan nilai. So K24 sama dengan F 2.25, 5.301307 tambah 0.25 darab dengan 2.301307 dan nilai akhirnya nilai akhir K24 sama dengan 1.814134. Langkah ketiga, kita mencari K34 dengan formula FT4 tambah H per 2, Y4 tambah H per 2 K2. Apabila kita masukkan nilai, akan menjadi K34 sama dengan F 2.25, 5.301307 tambah 0.25 darab dengan 1.814 Nilai akhir K34 sama dengan 1.692340. Terusnya, mencari K44 dengan formula FT4 tambah H, Y4 tambah HK3. Apabila dimasukkan nilai menjadi F 2.50, 5.301307 tambah dengan 0.25 darab dengan 1.692340. Nilai akhir untuk K44 sama dengan 0.8974777. Sekarang kita akan mencari Y5 dengan formula Yn tambah 1 sama dengan Yn tambah H per 6 darab dengan K14 tambah 2K24 tambah 2K34 dan K44. Apabila kita masukkan nilai, ianya Y5 menjadi 5.301307 tambah 0.5 per 6 darab dengan 2.301307 tambah 2 darab 1.814134 tambah 2 darab 1.692340 tambah dengan 0.8974777. Nilai akhir untuk Y5 sama dengan 6.1773664.
We want to find percentage error. First, we want to find Y and Z. And the solution for Y and Z is given is Y equal to T squared plus 2T plus 1 minus 0.5 e power of T. First, the T0 is equal to 0, T1 equal to 0.5, T2 equal to 1.0, T3 equal to 1.5, T4 equal to 2.0. And we sub the T into the solution. First, Y equal to 0 squared plus 2, 0 plus 1 minus 0.5 e power of 0. So we get 0.5. And for T1, we get 1.425639. And for T2 we get 2.640859. And for T3 we get 4.009155. And for T4 we get 5.305472. And now we want to find the percentage error. For the formula is equal to Y is Z minus Y0 per Y is Z. And for Y0 equal to 0.5, Y1 equal to 1.425130, and Y2 equal to 2.639602, and for Y3 equal to 4.00681, and for Y4 equal to 5.301604. So now we just sub the value into the equation, the formula. So for the first one is equal to 0.5 minus 0.5 per 0.5. So we get 0%. and for y1 is equal to 0.00036%, and for y2 is equal to 0.00048%, and for y3 is equal to 0.00058%, and for the final one is y4 is equal to 0.00073. That's all for the percentage error.